Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to flip camera in Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to flip camera in your Bereal app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app, and once you open the app itself, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on this circle like icon. Once you do this, you need to now tap on capture with BTS. So after you have tapped on the capture with BTS option, you will have to now give permission to Bereal and tap on this icon to flip your camera. So once you flip it, you will end up in this side, and once you flip it again by tapping on that icon, you will flip on the other side of the camera. So by doing this, you can capture both of the sides of the camera, like the front and back side. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.